In this lesson, we'll be going over agent responsibilities, policy replacement, individual contracts, and group life insurance. Because this is one of the law portions of the course, you'll find many references to Florida statutes and rules. Every life insurance agent must know and understand the laws and rules for life insurance. The penalties for violations can be severe. To illustrate, if you accidentally engage in an unfair method of competition, you could be fined up to $5,000 for each violation. If you do it on purpose, you could be fined up to $40,000 for every violation. These penalty amounts show that Florida takes violations seriously. In order to avoid these penalties, take your time and ensure that you understand what is required of you before moving on to the next section. Another equally important topic covered in this class are the responsibilities of life insurance agents. These topics go hand in hand because the easiest way to avoid violations is to know your duties and how to carry them out. Let's get started.